Prior to the recording of this video, the Philippines has been struck with 2 consecutive typhoons, one of which reaching Ondoy level floods. I'd just like to take my time on my platform to give out a PSA to our fellow Filipinos out there. If you have money, food, or items to donate, please do so. Especially in areas such as Cagayan, Bicol, Tuguegarao, and many more. Feel free to tap in on the links down below to help in the relief and rescue efforts to our fellow countrymen. Bangon Pilipinas.
Hustle at Esplanade, head to toe, fear of God. Host a show, can't get enough. I'm a dynamite and I'm blowing up. No pressure like Logic, yo. Feel like Jordan with his tongue out now. Rookie moves like professional.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, and everything in between. I'm your host, Icarus, and I'm here to talk about one of the recent releases of Jordan brand this 2020. This is the Jordan 1 Co.JP in Midnight Navy. Dude, these things are exquisite. High-end shit. High-end shit. I was originally gonna sell these and flip them, but when I got these on hand, I'm really blown away with the quality. These babies had an early release here in the Philippines back in October 31st via Titan's raffle draw. I won, so thank you, Titan.
Thank you, Jesus!
They had a release as well in the Nike sneakers site back in November 10th or 11th, but of course, sadly, due to the pandemic. In general, I think the year 2020 has to be cancelled. I mean, 2 more months, guys. Just 2 more months. But of course, in light of that, these things were still pushed through, and I gotta say, they knocked it out of the park. This pair was originally released back in 2001 and it finally got its re-release this 2020. So I'd like to break things down. Now, starting things off, it comes in the silver Jordan 1 box just like its sister pair, the Co.JP in silver, released earlier in the year, but definitely I prefer this pair better because of the midnight navy accents. And of course, it comes with a special tissue with the printed Jumpman and 2001 and 2020 all over the paper, which gives a nod to its previous release back in 2001. Now, starting off the tip, you do have its standard midnight navy toe guard in that light suede or nubuck material. It really feels good to the touch. It's kind of comparable to the Rookie of the Years. And after that, you have this smooth white tumbled leather right here on the toe box. And still moving into the lateral and medial sides of the shoe, you still are greeted with that smooth white tumbled leather, just like in the toe box. And it's not like the tumbled leather found in those pine green 2.0s. It has this right mix on its look that it's tumbled but with a smooth finish. And to top it all off on the sides, you have the silver Nike swoosh to give it a little added pop. Now, moving into the heel of the shoe, you still have that light nubuck material in a midnight navy colorway, stretching all the way to the collar, surrounding that nice jewel wings logo right here. And I really like this detail on the jewel swoosh. Some people like it, some people don't, but I personally like it. It adds more to the overall accent of the shoe with the white, midnight navy, and silver accents. And to me, it kind of gives you more of that premium look, which definitely stands out from most Jordan 1s. Now, moving into the back collar of the shoe, you still are greeted with that smooth white tumbled leather, just like in the medial lateral side and the toe box of the shoe. And the texture of this leather, it's very smooth, very soft. Now, moving into the tongue of the shoe, you still have that white tumbled leather, and I can't stress this enough, this detail really gives you that premium look. And it kind of turned me off at first when this shoe had a leather tongue, because I kept thinking it would be uncomfortable. But when I got it on hand, dude, this tongue is so soft to the touch.
That's what she said.
And it does have that slight padding in the inner lining to give added comfort when you wear the shoe. Now, still on the tongue, you still have this nicely embroidered Nike Air in midnight navy. Now, I love this embroidery, to be honest, just like how they did in the silver joints. Now, I know some Jordan purists are gonna scoff at this, but I really like this detail because it stands out from other Jordan 1s. Now moving into the guts of the shoe, you still have this small tag with a Jumpman 2001 and 2020 embroidered on the tag. And of course, you have the smooth navy insole with code.jp printed in white. And as for the laces of the shoe, they come in its default oval navy laces. But of course, they come with a pair of extra flat white laces. But if it were me though and I were to wear this shoe, I'd switch out the oval navy laces with the white laces all day to give that cleaner look. And as for sizing and fit, Jordan Brand has been consistent with their sizing, so I do suggest going true to size on these Jordan 1s, as I am a true size 12 and all my other Jordans have been size 12s. Now the retail of these Jordans were around $170, around 8,400 pesos, but right now as of the resale state, you can get these pair of Jordans around 9,000 to 13,000 pesos in the aftermarket. And if you plan to cop this pair, I'd say it's a steal if you cop this around the 9,000 to 10,000 mark. It's a good deal. Because to be honest, I don't see these things going down in value, and for the overall packaging and the overall look of the shoe, people are gonna be gunning for these. And as for me, I'm kind of tempted to keep this shoe, to be honest, because it's really clean. But I only promised myself a number of shoes only this year, and I tend to keep that promise. Okay, how about this? If I get the Mocha 1s or the Sachiko 4s for retail, I'll be okay to sell these. But if I can't get the Mocha 1s or the Sachiko 4s for retail, I'm gonna keep these in my collection. These are really good. But then again, leave a comment down below if I should keep or sweep these. What do you guys think? Well, that's it for me, man. How about you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know, will you cop the Jordan 1 code.jp and the Midnight Navy colorway this 2020? And what do you think of this unique Jordan 1? Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Should I keep these or just wait for the Mocha 1s or the Sachiko 4s? Once again, folks, leave a comment down below and let me know. Always appreciate you stopping by. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at rural.icarus right here. Just right here. Once again, folks, like, comment, and subscribe for more sneaker, streetwear, and music-related content right here on the channel. I am Icarus, and stay safe, folks. Peace.